Hey, what's up guys? If you're thinking about starting an LLC for rental properties, whether that's long-term rentals or something like Airbnb properties, definitely watch my video till the end because I actually set up one of my rental LLCs using Zen Business. And the process was actually a lot easier than I expected, I really gotta say. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what to expect, the different pricing packages and all that. And also if you do decide that Zen Business is something you want to try out, it seems like it's the right fit, there's a link down below that'll get you their best price available. That best price depends on what packaging you're choosing, but that link will trigger the absolute best savings when you check out. Okay, so I was personally setting up an LLC for a couple of short-term rental properties, and my main goal was simple. I just wanted the legal protection of having the properties under an LLC, and I didn't want to deal with all the a ton of paperwork, and that's exactly why I ended up going with Zen Business. The sign-up process is honestly super straightforward. You answer a few questions about your business, what state you're forming the LLC in, what name you want for the LLC, obviously. Now, when you get to the pricing section, you'll see they offer 3 main packages. There's the starter package, which is the cheapest option. That one basically covers the core LLC filing with your state. But if you're someone who doesn't mind doing a few extra things, yourself to save some money, that option could work fine. But then there's the pro package. That's what a lot of people end up choosing because it adds things like an operating agreement template, an EIN registration, and then there's the premium package, which is the one that I actually ended up choosing for a lot of good reasons. Now, originally I was gonna go with the cheaper package, but I just realized if I was setting this up for rental properties, I didn't want to be running around trying to figure out EIN filings, compliance reminders, annual paperwork later on. I wanted the whole thing to be basically hands-off. So I ended up upgrading to the bigger package, and I'm really glad I did. Here's why, no joke. So first of all, Zen Business handled everything. The EIN registration, they helped me generate the operating agreement and set up the compliance alerts that remind you when your annual filings are due. A lot of us forget about those things. Those are the kind of little details that can sneak up on you if you're just managing properties and running everything yourself. And the one thing I almost overlooked completely was the registered agent requirement. If you form an LLC, most states require you to have a registered agent who can receive legal documents on behalf of the company. Zen Business includes that service, which just simplifies things a lot. Now, let's talk about a couple of downsides because no service is perfect. The first one is the upsells during checkout. Like, wow. They offer additional services like website builders, bookkeeping tools, and a few extra bells and whistles that you might be interested in. None of them are required, but if you're not paying attention, the price can creep up a little bit. The second thing is processing time. Zen Business itself moves pretty fast, but the actual approval speed still depends on your state's filing office, and some states just take longer than others. That can oftentimes seem like it's Zen Business's fault, but it's really not. But just so you have a heads up. The platform's easy to use. The process is, guided the whole way through, and if you're setting up an LLC specifically for rental properties, it's really easy to do, and just, at least you're gonna have to do a lot for a rental property. At least have the legalization of the LLC part be hands-off. At least that was my opinion. I'm definitely glad I went with that. I'm glad I actually upgraded because I would have been set back in time, and sometimes if you're an entrepreneur, time is money. You know what I mean? Anyway, the link down below will get you some savings. Good luck, guys. Later.